Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix unsent iMessage not working on iOS devices. The edit and unsent feature introduced in iOS 16 and later allow users to correct types and unsent messages if you send the wrong recipient. This impressive capability from Apple has proven to immensely convenient, saving users from potential awkward or embarrassing scenarios. However, there may be occasions when you are unable to send a message for several reasons. In this video, I'll tell you how can you fix this problem. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is update your iOS. To access the unsent feature, you must be running iOS 16 or later. If your device is not up to date, you will need to upgrade to the compatible iOS version. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and then tap on General and then tap on Software Update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on Update Now and update the latest version of iOS and you are done. And the next step is Restart Messages app. Swipe from the center of the screen to access the app feature. Locate the Messages app by swiping left or right and then swipe it off the screen to close it. And you are done. And after that, reopen the Messages app from your home screen. And the next step is Ensure Network Connectivity. For this, go to Settings and then tap on Wi-Fi and then tap on Wi-Fi toggle button to turn it off and then wait for some time and then tap on its toggle button to turn on again. And also ensure that the low data mode is turned off. For this, press on the eye icon next to your connected Wi-Fi network. Scroll down and then tap on low data mode toggle button to turn it off. And also try to forget your network and then rejoin it again. For this, tap on forget this network and then tap on forget again to confirm and wait for some time, and after that reconnect your Wi-Fi network by entering the password again and you are done. And the next step is turn off VPN. For this, go to Settings and then tap on VPN and then tap on the status toggle button to turn it off and you are done. And the next step is reset your network settings. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and then tap on General, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Transfer Reset iPhone. Next, tap on Reset and then tap on Reset Network Settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset network settings. This should hopefully resolve the connection issue, allowing the unsent feature to function properly, and you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button and then slide to power off and wait for some time. Press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your iPhone and you are done. And the next step is clear iMessage application data. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and then tap on General and then tap on iPhone Storage, scroll down and then tap on Show All, scroll down and find the Messages app, tap on it. If there is recommendation section, choose Review Large Attachments. Delete any data you no longer need by swiping left or single attachment and tapping delete, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of unsent message not working on iOS device, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.